kind of an interesting sculpture. It has a look of like wood or a plant or a vine kind of thing. And then here they actually have video of that vine shape, sort of changing and shifting. Rather interesting. So here we have this thing. He built this and it's all got flexible parts. The joints actually have a straight unmelted piece in between. But other than that, the entire thing was all made with 3D and you can twist it and move it and everything. Great stuff. And of course, this is the guy that designed it and built it. What's your name again?
Louis.
Louis. Good job, Louis.
Thanks.
Here we go, it's a little Michael Jackson type of dancing robot. And it's doing it to the Michael Jackson music.
Oh, that's smooth, man.
It's funny.
That is the moonwalk. How slick is that? Oh, that is sick.
So you only have this one for show, no sale.
It's made with our real motherboard.
Okay. So you have a problem.
Here it is, the big rep printing. This is the 4x4x4 foot volume 3D printer. I saw this here at the show last year. And it's back again this year. And again, here are some of the other different prints. This one's pretty wild. Really nice and big. And those really tall ones over there. Here we are, sir. So what do you think about the print on this job? It's got
stringy.
Yeah, it's stringy. It's got problems. All right, we're going to have to zoom in on this here because we're discussing this. And the problem is that if this thing is printing this badly, should it be printing? Should it stay printing? Because this is not very good sales pitch. Who wants to buy a printer that's this big if it's printing this badly? Okay. So this is obviously an issue. It's kind of a hover vehicle that can be easily built. Very cool stuff.